After that, it come up from the sujud. It is sit down. It is sit down pan tap your left foot. It is spread the left foot inside. It is sit down inside. It is pin your right foot now you side this way. There they say, Rabbi ghfirli, Rabbi ghfirli, Rabbi ghfirli. Or they say, Rabbi ghfirli, warhamni, wahdini, wajburni, wasturni, wa'afini, warzuqni. But this last one, I choose this. Yes, if you learn this fine. But if you stop on Rabbi ghfirli only for the moment, then it's no bad. After that, it make the second sujud back. It go for the sujud back. It say Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. This time way forehead then a ground. Then it grab back. Where they grab, it make like it sit down small. We call that the jalsatul istiraha. It make like it sit down. It sit down small. They grab. People then say, na Shia people then can do this. No, this na sunnah of the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam. That way Prophet Muhammad all even they do this. So it don't be sunnah for we all. Now do answer our prayers them. They grab it in up. He read back Al-Fatiha just like I read and this no. They read surah or ayah. Where you don't know, it is in hand back towards he is. It pray just like how been explained earlier. Where you don't pray to second rak'am, you don't butu for the sujud, you don't read Subhana Rabbil A'la, you don't see the Rabbi, you don't read the Rabbi Ghfirli, you don't sujud back. If in a second rak'am of any prayer, it make at-tashahudu. At-tashahudu naina at-tahiyatu lillah.